This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Word and choosing a blank document or a template that matches your purpose. Set margins and the normal style so your formatting is consistent. This avoids later rework. Type a working title, then immediately save with Ctrl+S and pick a clear file name and folder. Once done, enable Auto Save if available and confirm language settings. These first steps lock in the foundation and prevent lost work, so make sure to adjust font size and line spacing now before you write. Next, build structure using heading styles so your document is navigable and consistent. This also creates an automatic outline. Apply styles for body text, adjust spacing, and create numbered or bulleted lists where logical. Insert page and section breaks to separate content types, and use columns for newsletters or articles. Once done, add a table for data and use Insert Table or Draw Table for custom layouts. Make sure to use Find and Replace for repeated corrections to save time. Finish by running spelling and grammar and accept or reject track changes. Add comments for collaborators. Check headers, footers, page numbers, and finalize the table of contents which updates from your heading styles. Export to PDF when ready and verify layout on another device. If formatting breaks, clear direct formatting and reapply styles, or paste into a new document to remove corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: if styles act weird, use clear formatting, then reapply your defined styles to restore consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.